Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel and check us out. I think you'd like what we have here. And if you are one of my returning subscriber friends, well, welcome, especially to you. I love each and every one of you and I really appreciate you stopping by and seeing what I have for the day. Now today I do have my Fabfitfun add-ons. Yeah, we just recently saw my Fabfitfun custom box and I had gotten a lot of product or extras in my box and I want to share with you what I have today. I have several items that I got a really good deal on and I want to let you see what they are, and I want you to know that you can buy in the edit sale if you are a member, either quarterly or an annual member. You do have to be a member to shop the Fabfitfun add-on sales and our edit sales, and I will tell you it's well worth your money in the long run if you like to get great deals on skincare and lifestyle. So today we're going to go through and see what I picked for my add-ons during the fall season. And I'm just going to pick things out of here randomly. I will tell you the first item I have here is a cleaning kit. This is a tech cleaning kit, guys. It has a little bit of everything, and this I got for $9. And I actually got this for a gift for someone I know that uses a lot of tech products. And I think he's gonna like this. The regular value of this is $34.99, so that was a huge savings. I mean, we're talking about a 70% savings, so this was a very good purchase. The next item I'm pulling out of here is Fortify face mask. These are natural bacteria fighting skincare, and I got them for $3.99 and they retail for $14.99, so I saved 73%. And again, I think I got another great deal, and I love these facial sheet masks. They're hydrating and moisturizing just as it says, and they use hyaluronic acid and aloe, which aloe is very soothing to the skin. And of course, hyaluronic acid or hyaluronic helps hold moisture in, so it's perfect. Now, I also got me some more Korean masks. I love these exfoliating face masks by Karuna. They are very good. This here I got for $3.99, and they have a value of $28, so I saved 86%. And there are 4 in here, I believe. Yeah, it's 4 individual masks. And on this one, by the way, it was a 5-pack for the Fortify. So I got 4 in here and 5 there, so that's 9 for about $8. Perfect buy. Now the next item that I got, Oe Cherie, this is a facial palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. It was $7 and it's normally $29, and it is sealed. Okay guys, I'm leaving this sealed because this is going to show up in a future giveaway. And these are the colors on the back, so I am not going to open this. I want to leave it sealed, so when I do give it away, it'll be perfectly in good condition, and it, to my knowledge anyways, and not opened. But it does have some nice colors if you want to look on there and see if that's something in the future that you would like. And I paid $7, and like I said, it was $29 regular price, so I saved 77%. Now the next item that I have, and the last item that I have, is Intensive Youth Concentrate. This here I got for $5.99, and this is a $56 value. This was probably one of my best buys. It's a universal formula to deeply nourish and rejuvenate and balance and brighten and boost the skin. There's a lot that it does. And let's see what it looks like here. It is it's a sensual product, and I have used the Sensual brand, and that's one reason I got this. I used their, I think it was their vitamin C, and it was very good. So I wanted to try their Intensive Youth Concentrated, and you can read all the things on there that I just said that it's good for your skin, and it's got an aroma to it. So let's see, it's sealed, but I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh yeah, that smells good. It's just got like an herbal scent to it. I don't know any other way to, kind of a nice aroma. And I guess that's why it says sensual aroma, intensive youth concentrate. So I look forward to using that and boosting my skin a little bit. So very nice. So those were my items. Overall, I spent $27.97 on this purchase, and the overall value was $162.98. So I feel like I got a really great value. And as far as anything else, that's everything that I got in my add-ons. So it wasn't overly packed, but I got a couple of gifts here, and I got some facial masks that I can use and or gift out. So I feel real pleased with this. I mean, to me, this was like buying a Fabfitfun mystery bundle. I mean, except I got to pick out everything because it cost about $28. And the mystery bundles are $29, and you don't get to pick out. They just kind of toss in what they have there, and you just get the luck of the draw. And I did buy one, so you will see it in a future battle somewhere. I don't know how it's going to be displayed, but it'll be out there. And like I said, I'm pleased with these purchases. I feel like I got my money's worth. Did you have a favorite? What do you think about this ooey, is it ooey? Cherry, ooey, sherry facial or eyeshadow palette. I think that's some beautiful colors, and I know it'd look even better if I showed them to you, but I am keeping that intact. And I can't wait to try the Skin Sensual Intensive Youth Concentrate. That's going to be wonderful, and of course this is going to be a great gift. I know who's getting it. And then my facial mask. Very good. That is all I have today. And be sure and look in my descriptions for anything that's currently going on. Like I said, I've got some battles coming out. I've got some collabs coming out, and I do still have giveaways that are in my description. I have my 800 subscriber giveaway that's still going all the way through September 8th. So be sure and enter to win if you have not already. And I ask again, if you are new here and you like what you see, then please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll know when my next video is coming out, whether it be one like this showing you product, unboxing, lifestyle, or travel, or a beauty box, or it could be a collaboration. There's just all kinds of things going on with this channel. So as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.